So, well, uh, I guess there are some people here who took classes with me last period of, on the last cycle. So I see you, Andy, I see Angelina. So basically there is not a lot of things to explain to you because today I'm going to explain the way that we are going to work. You guys know that already.
Yeah,
And
I did a comment already on the platform.
yeah. So yes, we're going to be working on the platform. This is for the people who haven't taken classes with me. It's gonna be 100% through there. We're going to use WhatsApp as a primary information channel. If you have questions or if there are things that you don't understand, that's a doggy passing by, yeah? That's the dog behind.
I don't know. I don't know. I see a dog. I just feeling walking around and I turn her back and I go, oh my God. The dog
I
also
see
want
it.
to be part of the conference.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Hi. Yeah, I see it there.
Manuel.
That's
Good
Samuel.
afternoon.
Yeah, Samuel Jackson. Alvarez.
Oh.
Yeah. So as I was saying, we're gonna be working on the platform now. Andy mentioned something that I already left in there for you. I left. Give me a second here. I'm just opening the OEM platform so you can see that we have not a homework. That's just a little exercise so you can introduce yourself and write a little bit of English. So give me a second here. Here we are. Okay, let me show you that so you guys don't say that I didn't show you. All right, so here we are, and I don't know if there is someone in here who didn't take classes or who took it but the teacher didn't use the platform. So when you go into the platform, make sure, let me go back, make sure this is how you see it. Here you have your subjects. Make sure you go into the subject. For example, this is ours. Where is it? I hope it's this one. This is our subject. And you have to make sure you go to content. You see, click on content. And here you are going to find all the information. We are going to work weekly. Week by week, I'm going to create a new category in here. Right now, we are in the first week, which is September 14 until September 19, which means that from Monday on, give me a second, I'm gonna do it right now. From Monday on, you are going to see this. September 21st until September 26th. And give me a moment. I created, let me just update. So here you see, this is how you're going to see it. So we finish this week and we'll go to the next and we'll go to the next. That's how we're gonna do it. So we have our work organized. And if you need to look for something, I just tell you, go to the week, you know, and you go there and you find it. Now, the last cycle, there were many people who told me that they didn't see the homeworks or the materials. This is very important. What you have to do is you have to click on the week. You see, click here. You click there. I'm gonna show you how you see it. You see, this is how you see this way. So you click on the week and there you're going to find all the information. For example, I left this one, which is an introduction. As you can see, I'm telling you to introduce yourself, say some important info we should know about you. As you can see here, Andy already answered. So there is no points for this, no grades. This is only for you to start using the platform in case that you don't know, so you can get the hang of it, as a friend said. All right, Now that was that one, right? Now, what about this one? We have the book for phonetics in here. Make sure you download it. Now the book is heavy. It is 98 megabytes.
Oh
So
my God, I downloaded already on my phone. Oh Lord.
it's 98 megabytes. I mean, if you have a plan of gigabytes, that's nothing, but I'm just telling you because maybe you think that something is wrong, but the book is kind of heavy, so you have to wait. Depending on your internet connection, you have to wait 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you know. So you just click on there and you're going to download the book. This book is organized by chapters. So we're gonna be working, I hope so. I hope that we work one chapter every week. There will be weeks where we won't be able to work one chapter because the previous one is very, it has a lot of information, so we have to discuss and explain, you know. Now I have to let you know that this subject is not to teach you English. I'm not your English teacher here, phonetics teacher. So um, I'm gonna be focused on phonetics, right? So right now I know that the majority of you speak English, so I'm not going to worry about you speaking English. I'm going to worry about you studying phonetics. And just to to give you a quick definition, phonetics is the study of the human sounds that we use to communicate. And the main sounds that we use to communicate are called words, right? So those words, the pronunciation of the words, the pronunciation of the vowels, the consonants, that's what we are going to work with. We are going to learn the rules of pronunciation, why you say this way, why you don't say it that way, you know? And because there are many words that you say that you believe that it doesn't make sense, but there is an explanation behind them, and that's what we are going to learn. Um, right now, we don't have any homework for today, but since Monday on, you have to make sure that you check this week, September 21st until the 26th, because what we are going to do is we're going to work through questionnaires. How? Well, for example, chapter number 1, I leave like, I give you 6, 5, 4 questions that you have to look for the answers. Then you, let me disable this. Hold on. The, hold on. I'm just going to disable the sound for WhatsApp web. Okay, now we are good. All right, so give me a second. Okay, so as I was saying, we're gonna work through questionnaires, 5, 6, 7 questions, depending on how large or how extend is the chapter. Then you're gonna fill up the questions, you're gonna upload it to the platform. Then we are going to discuss the rules, everything, explanations, you know. We're going to work also with written works where you will have to analyze a chapter or a part of a chapter. You will have to give your opinion, or you can do a summary about it. I mean, that's gonna be during the subject. I'm just telling you how we are going to work, right? There is no homework right now. This is to explain the methodology, how we are going to do it. And we are going to have 3 exams as normal. We're gonna work as if we were at the university. Okay, the only difference is that we are not meeting personally, but we're gonna be here all the time. So we have 3 exams. The 3 exams are gonna have 20 points each one. So that means is 60 points for the exams, and we have 40 points for participation. And the participation, of course, is through the homeworks that I'm going to leave. So we have 40 points for homeworks that are gonna be distributed since the beginning until the end. And we have 3 exams that are 60 points. So 20 points each. Now, it's very important that you know that for every homework, I'm going to give you a decent amount of time for you to do it. You're going to have from 5 until 5 to 6 days to do it. For example, if today is Saturday and I leave you something today, Saturday, I'm gonna make sure that the last day for you to finish will be Thursday or Friday. So that gives you enough time to read and to upload your homework. If you don't do it, you lose the points unless there is a, you know, reason, like a justifiable reason, right? If you tell me that you were working and that you forgot, you lost the points. If you told me that you waited for the last day to do homework and you didn't have enough time to analyze, you lose the points. That's not my problem. If there was a blackout on your street that you didn't have power for 3 days, or you don't have money to pay your internet and you just got the money, okay, that's true. You know, yeah, but don't do it all the time, because then I'll believe that it's a game, and you know, you're gonna lose it anyways. But I'm just telling you how we're going to work. Now, if you have a question, you can ask now. This is a first meeting. This is only 15 minutes, 12 minutes to explain how we're gonna work. If you have questions, ask now so I can explain or answer any question that you might have. Angelina, you there, huh? I'm gonna give you a few minutes. If you have a question, ask now. Well, very good. I like that. Oh, if you're talking, Andy, I'm not listening to you. Uh,
Oh, sorry. I mean, from my side, like you say, I was taking class last cycle and took it with you. I don't have a question to. I don't have a question right now. I mean,
the procedure,
I
how we
know
work.
how you work and things like that.
All right. Very good. Yeah, right. All the rest, um, as I say, if you have no questions, it means two things. You understood everything or you understood nothing. That's it. Hopefully is the first one that you understood everything, you know, so I don't have to repeat myself. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. That was the meeting for today. Oh, I also forgot to tell you that the meetings, we are going to record the meetings. I'm repeating this all the time. We are going to record the meetings. That means we're gonna keep the meeting on YouTube so I can share it. So I can share it on the platform in case that you cannot be at the meeting, you know. If you cannot be at the meeting, then you will have the chance to see what we talked about, any homework, any explanation. So you don't have to ask me. So if we had the meeting today, and in a few hours, a person asks me, teacher, what did you say? I'm gonna tell that person, wait for the meeting, wait for the video so you can watch it. And when you watch it, then you can ask me if there is something that you don't understand.
I mean, also it's good because on time, uh, you may not get an idea once we are on the conference, but if
Mhm.
you get a coffee and you relax a little bit and say, holy shit, let me go back and see what the class the teacher was explaining. I didn't get the idea. It's good
Mhm.
because you can record it again and see what's going on.
Right, right. That's true. Now, it's not mandatory to be at the meeting. I always tell you, but it's very important because maybe right now I'm telling you something and you take advantage of the moment and ask the questions. But on the videos, you know that you will be limited only to listen to what I'm saying. So it's very important to be at the meeting. And now I know there are many people who are not working. And today is Saturday, right? That we have to be early, be home early. Yeah. Is Diana Castro here? Hopefully she.
Yes, I'm here, teacher.
Oh, okay. Very good. All right. So that's it. If you have teaching practice with me, that's gonna be at 3:15, I believe. And if you don't have it, that's it. Oh, Leandro, you have a question?
Yeah, teacher, I want to know the exactly time that we're going to start every Saturday. Is this going to be at 2 p.m.
Uh-huh.
or
Yeah. Yes.
another time?
The meetings are going to be at 2 p.m. I know the subject starts at 1, but I know many people eat at 1, have lunch at that time. So as we only stay for 45 minutes or 1 hour, it's better to do it from 2 to 3. And we're gonna keep it like that all the time. Now, on this subject, we're gonna have meetings all the time, every week, because there are many things to explain, and there will be things that I will have to explain it 2 or 3 times for you to understand them. Yeah. So that's it. Um, I will see you when I see you. Yeah. So take care of Misael. You here, huh? I see.
Teacher,
Yes.
you repeated like in the English seat. Well, like,
Uh-huh.
I see you and I see you, of course.
Yeah. People believe it's stupid, but that's letting you know that we see today, but we don't know about tomorrow.
That's correct. That's correct. We never know.
Yeah. So I will see you later.
All right, everybody. Have a nice weekend and stay safe. You know,
Yeah.
thanks.